Look at the target box. I can see it. I just gotta find the end, which I think is right here. So I want you to put the target right here, buddy. Put it right here, Joe. Josh. You see one? Is there one more? All right, how far out does that go? Like right here? Maybe?
Yeah, somewhere.
All right, so put this facing the end of that line that way. Yep. You know what? I'm gonna let you fucking paint some lines. Go up there. Carrying here is a target box. To the right of my unit, by my right handlebar, is a laser. It's really hard to see in this video, but it shoots a green beam up into that target box that Josh is holding. Those yellow dots that you see on the ground right there, those are pre-measured marks that are determined by the line striper itself. And that's how we make our lines. Okay. So Josh essentially just has to connect the dots. See the line on the target? Yeah. Alright, so I got you like 2 inches before the line, alright? What you want to do is, like you're going to start to go, right? As soon as it starts to go, that's when you pull the trigger, alright? Now you're already lined up. All you have to do is watch that thing. Don't look at the gun, watch the green line. Keep the green line on that black dot, all right? Now, you're gonna look at the gun just to start, and then you're gonna go right up to that. So, you start running, back up a little. All right, so you keep your eye on it, start going. When you think you're right over the hit thing, pull the trigger, and then look up and make sure you're on target, all right?
I got a really bad feeling.
When you get to the end, yeah. So you lost it, huh? So back up, reset on this line again. Line up your target first. Back up a little. You want to line your target up right here, okay? And then you want to roll into it. And then right when you're over, click the button and go. All right? That wasn't bad. Go over to the next one.
now try to bring it all the way to the end, all right? It's not doing too bad. This is Josh. He's one of my better guys. All my guys are better guys. This year I can confidently say that. But this year, since guys are actually getting into a rhythm and they're sticking around with the company, we're trying to mold them into the next phase of this business. And Josh is getting his first shot at line striping with the laser right now. So, you know, couldn't you start him out on some chalk lines, make his life easy? Yeah, I could have, but welcome to Premiere. I really like these new shadow boxes Graco has for the lasers. I mean, these things are 100 times better than the first gen, as they call it, right? The first gen. He's getting a little taste of fucking...
Yeah, absolutely. Turned the corner and I was like, yeah.
He's like, this is so much harder than it looks. I don't think it was enough. Yeah, that one's pretty fucked up. All right, well, I think we got one more. Put the brake on.
Yeah.
That laser really helps.
I was standing behind that.
It does, but it's
It's hard.
really hard. talking yourself out of, you have to look at that box, and it's so unnatural to look at that box because you want to look at the gun, you know?
I know. And it's just like hard knowing where the gun is going to shoot at.
Yeah, that's a,
Once you figure that out, I feel like then it gives you a little bit more confidence because you know where you're putting the paint.
yeah. So normally that's why, like, you know,
Water.
you guys are gonna go out and do water. When I send you guys out to do this on your own, at first you guys will put masking tape at the bottoms of the lines.
Yep.
That way, like how he's starting, he's not quite on.
Yep.
He'll start somewhere on the tape, and then he knows at that point he's good.
We can start that much